This morning, Grandpa and I are preparing buckwheat pancakes with blueberries for breakfast. Buckwheat has been around for 8,000 years and it is a very nutritious grain. This is one of the brands we like to buy. This is all the ingredients we need to make the buckwheat pancakes with blueberries. We need 3/4 cup buckwheat flour, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 3/4 tablespoon sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 beaten egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of rinsed blueberries. Now Grandpa is preparing the pancakes.
First, we're going to take all the dry ingredients, the buckwheat flour, the all-purpose flour, the sugar, the baking powder, and we take our whisk and mix it all together so it's all nice and mixed. Then we take our wet ingredients, our cup of milk, our egg, our melted butter, and whisk all this together so it becomes like a batter. Making sure all the dry is mixed in. Okay. Then we take our blueberries and pour them in and give it a little mix to mix them in. We could use a fork to fold them in, but I don't have one handy right now, so I'll use my whisk. So now the batter is all ready. To go. So here we are with our grill all heated up, our favorite Dash grill, so we could have 2 sets of pancakes going at the same time. And I take my favorite 1/4 cup scoop, put it on a frying pan, spread it out a little bit. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and there's our first batch of the buckwheat blueberry pancakes. Now we have to wait until they heat up and we start seeing those bubbles appear before we flip them over to the other side. And they're not there yet. Here's our pancakes. The bubbles are coming up, so I'm going to flip them over. And we have them on this side for about 2 minutes, for 1.5 minutes. And this Dash grill is great. You don't have to put any oil on it. It's very easy to clean up compared to the old frying pan where I had to put butter in there, then I had to clean it up. Here I just wipe it down with a wet paper towel and it's done. They are looking good. They're ready to come off the grill. The one side where I'm taking it off right now seems to heat up faster than the other side. I don't know why, but that's the way it is with this particular frying pan. And there we have it, our buckwheat blueberry pancakes, ready for some syrup